Hi, I'm Wes and I'm here to help you with the setup of your FireAngel Connect Gateway. Before we get started, make sure you have a smart device running iOS or Android and FireAngel alarms that can be wirelessly interlinked. So, let's see what's in the box. You'll get a FireAngel Connect Gateway, an Ethernet cable, a micro USB adapter, a set of screws for wall mounting, and also an installation guide. First things first, we need to get the gateway powered up and connected to the internet. We won't need these two for now. Take one end of your Ethernet cable and plug it into the port on the back of the device. Take the other end and plug that into your broadband router. Next, take your micro USB lead, place that into the back of the device, the other end into a mains power supply. Once powered up, you will see 3 LED lights. The first, power, the second, a notification, and the third, connection to the internet. For this next step, you'll need your smartphone or tablet device. After downloading and installing the FireAngel Connect app, you'll be presented with a login screen. At this point, select sign up and go through the registration process. Once you've completed the registration process, you'll be asked to type in the MAC address for your Connect Gateway. This is a 12-digit code that can be found on the back of the device. So, I'm going to take you through the simple process of interlinking FireAngel devices. Our system works on a mesh network, which means when one device goes off, they all go off. I'm going to create a network using a wireless smoke alarm, a wireless heat alarm, and a wireless carbon monoxide alarm. For this demonstration, I'm going to pair the smoke alarm to the heat alarm first, and then I'm going to introduce the CO alarm to the network. So what you want to do is make sure that one of the devices is on its base plate. Then with another device, remove the base plate and locate the interlinking button. Once I press this button, the LED will illuminate for 5 seconds. I then need to press a test button within that time. The LED at the back of the product will flash 3 times and then go solid. I can then place the product back onto its base plate, and if I want to test it, now I'm going to do the same with the carbon monoxide alarm. Fold down the back plate, locate the wireless interlink button, press it once, and then press a test button on any other device. Again, the LED light will blink 3 times and then go solid. You can then test the network by pressing any of the test buttons on any of these devices and listen for an audible sound. Now that the devices have been successfully paired, we can install them into their designated locations.